Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. A merchant kept a bird in a cage. He was going to India, the land from which the bird came, and asked the bird whether he could bring anything back for it. The bird asked for its freedom but was refused, so he asked the merchant to visit a jungle in India and announce his captivity to the free birds who were there. The merchant did so, and no sooner had he spoken when a wild bird, just like his own, fell senseless out of a tree on the ground. The merchant thought that this must be a relative of his own bird and felt sad that he should have caused his death. When he got home, the bird asked him whether he had brought good news from India. "No," said the merchant, "I fear that my news is bad. One of your relatives, collapsed and fell at my feet when I mentioned your captivity." As soon as these words were spoken, the merchant's bird collapsed and fell to the bottom of the cave. "The news of his kinsman's death has killed him too," thought the merchant. Sorrowfully, he picked up the bird and put it on the window sill. At once, the bird revived and flew to a nearby tree. "Now you know," the bird said, "that what you thought was disaster was in fact good news for me, and how the message, the suggestion of how to behave in order to free myself was transmitted to me through you, my captor. The relative who died gave me the message of die before death to have the real freedom, and he flew away free at last. Die before death is the real freedom for every bird."